Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Home app and signing into the Google account you will use for the device. Make sure Bluetooth, location, and the camera permission are enabled so the app can discover and scan. Otherwise, scanning won't work. Once done, confirm your phone is on the same Wi-Fi you plan to use and that you can reach the device physically within a few feet. Now tap the plus to add a device and proceed to the setup prompt to begin scanning. You'll continue by selecting Add Device, then Set Up Device and letting the app search for the new unit. When prompted to scan, locate the QR code printed on the device base, inside the Quick Start insert, or on the box. It's the unique identifier the app needs. Position your phone so the QR fits inside the on-screen frame, keep the camera steady, and let autofocus lock. If the app asks for camera permission, grant it. If scanning fails, use the manual. You finish setup by confirming the Wi-Fi network, naming the device so it appears clearly in the app, and enabling any requested permissions for voice or location features. Once confirmed, the Home app registers the device and may push a firmware update. Keep power and network stable until complete. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Clean the camera lens and QR surface, increase ambient light, or scan with a different phone. If still failing, use the manual device code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.